Welcome to our tutorial on changing engine and cabin air filters, an important task in maintaining your car's performance and longevity as well as your own. In this lesson, we'll cover the basics of why air filters need to be changed, what tools and materials you'll need, and step-by-step instructions. Air filters are responsible for trapping dirt, dust, and other contaminants that can clog and damage your car's engine and HVAC system. Over time, air filters can become clogged with dust, reducing the amount of air flowing into the engine and cabin, which can decrease performance and fuel efficiency. With a clogged filter, the engine's computer will compensate for this reduction in air by adding more fuel into the combustion chambers. This greatly reduces your fuel economy. Regular air filter changes are essential for keeping your car running smoothly and efficiently. Before you begin, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. New engine and cabin air filters, of the correct size and type for your car's make and model. We recommend only using original equipment manufacturer parts. They do cost more but are of the highest quality and usually will outlive the cheaper discount auto parts store filters. Next you will need a flathead screwdriver. A vacuum cleaner, optional. Step-by-step instructions for engine air filter. Locate the engine air filter housing. It is usually located near the top of the engine, near the front of the car. A large plastic air duct tube will usually be connected from the air filter housing directly to the engine's throttle body. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the clips or latches that hold the air filter housing in place. Remove the air filter housing and take out the old air filter. Use a shop vac to remove any debris from the air filter housing before installing the new filter. Install the new air filter, making sure it is properly seated and aligned in the housing. Step-by-step instructions for cabin air filter. Locate the cabin air filter housing. Once located, follow the same steps shown for replacing the engine filter. Conclusion. Changing engine and cabin air filters may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, materials, and instructions, it's quite easy. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car's engine and HVAC system is receiving clean air, and extending the life of your vehicle. Remember to check your car's manual for the recommended replacement intervals and to use the right filter for your specific make and model. Thanks for watching.